singular and also countable noun. Boy, girl, umbrella. Okay, this is umbrella. Boy, girl, umbrella and egg. These are singular number noun and also countable noun. So, we have to use a or an. 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 Okay. Listen. For boy, we use a. For girl, we use a. For umbrella, we use an. For egg, we use this is egg. This is egg. Okay. So, when we use a or an, when we use a or an, first of all, you have to know about when we use an. When we pronunciation, when we pronunciate a noun, when we pronunciate a noun with vowel sound, with vowel sound. When we pronunciate a noun with vowel sound, we will use an. We will use an, like umbrella, okay, elephant, MLA, hour, okay, apple. Okay, these are words which start with vowel sound. We start with vowel sound. Like umbrella, A, elephant, A, MLA, AM, yani A, hour and apple. Okay, these are all vowel sound. These are all vowel sound. Okay, what are vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U in English. A, E, I, O, U in English. But in Hindi, A, E, A, U है ना? A, E, U ऐसे ये आपकी क्या है? What are they? Vowel sound. So when we pronunciate a word with vowel sound, when we pronunciate a word with vowel sound, and if the word is singular, we use an. We use an, like an umbrella, an elephant, an MLA, an R, and an apple. Okay. Why we use an before umbrella, elephant, MLA, R, before apple? Why we use before an before umbrella, elephant, MLA, apple? Because these are words which start with vowel sound. Okay, got it? Which start with vowel sound. Okay. Then when we use a means singular. A means singular. And means singular. A and an also both are singular. Used for singular countable noun. Okay, then when we use when we pronunciate a word with consonant sound, when we pronunciate a word with consonant sound, we will use and before it. We will use and before it. How? Let me check. European. Okay? European. 1 rupee note. Okay? Union. Dog. है ना? Book. These are consonant sound. These are all consonant sound. How? European. Ya is consonant. Ya is consonant. 1 rupee note. 1. Voice consonant. Voice consonant. Union. U is pronunciation. U is vowel, but in the Hindi pronunciation, Ya is consonant. Okay. Day. B. And these are also consonant in English and Hindi also pronunciation. So there is need of a European, a 1 rupee note, a union, a day, a book. Got it? Got it done? Okay. So these are words are. ठीक है ना? What we call it? Our. What do you call it? H is silent. So pronunciation is start from a. A is vowel. So we put an. Got it? What is the difference between a or an? How we use a and how we use an. है ना? How we use a with consonant sound. A with like ka kha ga anga cha cha ja iya ta tha da ada ta tha da da na pa pa ma ma yara lawa sha 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 chatrang gya. Okay, and an it छोटा बड़ा छोटी बड़ी छोटाओ बड़ाओ a I o o ang. Okay, got it? You have to use an and akakaga you have to use a. But the word should be singular. The word should be singular. Got it? If the word is plural, we can't use a or an. We can't use a or an. If the word is singular, if the word is plural, we can't use a or an. Got it? Check. What we use a छतरंग्या. Okay, and an it छोटा बड़ा छोटी बड़ी छोटाओ बड़ाओ a I o o ang. Okay, got it? You have to use an and akakaga you have to use a. But the word should be singular. The word should be singular. Got it? If the word is plural, we can't use a or an. We can't use a or an. If the word is singular, if the word is plural, we can't use a or an. Got it? Check. What we use a and or the? Tell me. What we use a and or the? Baskets. Tell me. Tell me. This is basket. Baskets. Plural number noun. Plural number. So we can't use a or an. If necessary, we can use the. If there is need. Okay? Got it? Gold, silver, listen, when we don't use article, when we have to not use any article before noun. If the noun is abstract or material noun. If the noun is abstract or मटेरियल नाउन. ओके, अगर आपका नाउन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है या मटेरियल है तो वहां पे आपको आर्टिकल्स नहीं यूज करने. नॉट एनी आर्टिकल. ए आर एन आर द. गिव मी सम एग्जांपल ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एंड मटेरियल. हैव यू एनी आइडिया अबाउट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन? कैन यू टेल मी द some words about abstract noun or material noun? Abstract noun like kindness, bravery, ठीक है ना, boldness and honesty. In general sense we can't use honesty. Got it? Childhood, poverty. Okay, these are abstract noun. Theft, laughter, these are abstract noun. These are, what are these? Kindness, bravery, boldness, honesty, childhood, poverty, theft, laughter. Okay, these are abstract noun and many of them और भी है abstract nouns. Give me some material noun please. Give me some material noun please. Gold, silver, iron, cotton, wood, wool, oil, water. These are some example of material noun and these are abstract noun. Okay, got it? So sometimes we use any article like the, a or an, but in general sense we never. Okay, like the honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the, अब आपको एरर में दे रखा होता है, यहाँ पे ए लगा हो सकता है या एन लगा हो सकता है या दा लगा हो सकता है ना. यू हैव टू करेक्ट इट, यू हैव टू करेक्ट इट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमूव ऑल द आर्टिकल्स. ए लगा हो तो भी, एन लगा हो तो भी और दा लगा हो तो भी. ठीक है ना, गॉट इट? सो इन बिफोर गोल्ड, बिफोर सिल्वर, बिफोर आयरन, बिफोर कॉटन, बिफोर व्हील, बिफोर वुड, बिफोर ऑयल, बिफोर वाटर, वी कांट यूज article a, n or the. We never use a or n, but sometimes we can use the, sometimes we can use the. ठीक है, got it? Understand? When we use a or n, when we not? Okay. Use of the, use of the. When we use the, when we use, okay, before superlative degree, before superlative degree. For example, tallest. This is the superlative degree of tall. This is the superlative degree of tall is adjective and positive degree tall, comparative degree taller and superlative degree is tallest. So before superlative degree you use the. All the things in the word which are unique, all the things in the word which are unique, we have to use the. All the buildings, all the monuments, all the rivers name, all the mountains name,